The Savi 8210 and 8220 UC series are long-range wireless headsets that include a DECT mini USB adapter, making it easy to plug into calls on PC or Mac. Before you begin, download the Poly Lens desktop app by visiting support.hp.com/s-n/poly. This ensures you get the most from your Savi headset by allowing you to customize your device and check for firmware updates. Included in the box is the charge stand, headset, USB-A to USB-C adapter, D400 USB adapter for easy connection to your computer, quick start guide, USB cable, a travel pouch, and the AC adapter. Charge the headset by setting it in the stand. Once charging is complete, the LED turns off. The boom can be worn on either the right or left side. Rotate the microphone boom up and over. Adjust the headband so it fits comfortably. And gently bend the boom so it is approximately 2 fingers widths from the corner of your mouth. Plug the included D400 adapter into your computer and switch on the headset. The D400 adapter will light green when the headset is connected. You can also connect the D400 adapter to the USB-A to USB-C adapter and then into your computer. To answer and end a call, tap the call button. To adjust the volume, rotate the volume dial. To mute while on a call, tap the red mute button. You will see the indicator light on the D400 adapter light solid red. The Savi 8220 stereo headset includes active noise cancelling to reduce distracting background noise. To activate, switch the ANC button on. To make a call, place your headset on and make sure it is powered on. Use your softphone client on your PC to select the person you wish to talk to or dial the number. The DECT radio link will open and the green LED on the D400 adapter will start flashing. Your headset will ring to alert you to an incoming call. Tap the call button to answer the call. The top LED turns solid red when muted. The middle LED is solid green when not on a call, when subscription is successful, and flashes when actively on a call. The green and red LEDs flash when subscribing. The bottom LED turns solid white when Microsoft Teams is running, and it pulses for Teams notifications. You are now ready to enjoy your Savi 8210 and 8220 UC series wireless headsets.